Hello, I'm Dr. Fujiwara. Jaw relaxing exercises number 3. You open your mouth and relax temporomandibular joint or TMJ. And rotate your head to the side, to the end range of motion, and stay still for 5 seconds. And going back to the neutral after 5 seconds, and turn your head rotating to the other side, and stay for 5 seconds. And going back to the neutral. Do 5 times both sides, and I recommend you do more to the side when you feel difficulty more. And the warning is the same. When you feel nausea or headache or shivering in the eyes, stop doing these exercises, please. 声楽ドクターの藤原邦康です。顎を緩めるエクササイズの3番目です。口をポカン口にして、で頭を回転させます。いけるところまで行って5秒静止し、また元に戻って、で逆にいけるところまで行き5秒静止します。元に戻します。で、これを5往復、そして、やりづらい方を余計にさらにやってみてください。で、頭痛や吐き気、めまいなどがしたらすぐにこれをやめてください。